Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Business Profile. This is the first actionable step. Enter your exact business name and street address so customers find you. Accuracy matters. Once done, pick the primary category that best describes what you do and add 2 to 3 services for clarity. Make sure to upload a clear logo and provide a working phone number and website URL. This reduces verification friction and improves initial visibility. Next, verify your profile using the method Google offers. Postcard is common, but phone or email may appear. While waiting, complete detailed fields. Set business hours including holidays, add 5-10 high-quality photos of your location and products, and write a crisp description up to 750 characters that explains who you serve and why. Also select attributes like wheelchair accessible or outdoor seating. These help search relevance. Once verified, these optimizations improve click-through and local rankings. Finally, maintain the profile. Respond to reviews promptly and publish posts or offers weekly to keep content fresh. Use Google Insights to monitor searches, views, and customer actions so you know what to change. If the verification postcard doesn't arrive or fails, request a new one and confirm your address format. If problems persist, contact Google Business Support or retry with phone verification. One troubleshooting tip: consistent NAP, name, address, phone, across directories prevents most verification and ranking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.